GOP proposal encouraging and even constructive, but she says Biden aides are concerned about taking from previously passed COVID relief funds to pay for it. Stephen Portnoy, CBS News, Washington.
In our top local story, First Lady Jill Biden was in Grand Rapids today.
About it next. It's Justin Barkley. West Michigan Live starts at 9:06 on Wood Radio.
Todd Herman for our departed too soon friend Rush Limbaugh coming up.
Helpline has been created for anyone with over $10,000 in debt, but you must call us at 800-805-7728. As banks shore up capital, bracing for a recession, they are willing to settle your debt for a fraction of
This, like, why the fact that I'm into this and that I have so many long hours and hours of discussion about it, does that surprise you because you act like I've become a lunatic or something?
Well, what are you into about it? What do you like about it?
It's just interesting because everybody tries to figure it out, and look, we understand.
Been indicted and arrested, with 4 unnamed co-conspirators possibly next. The transactions and discussions allegedly occurred in parking lots near Miami. The money to be laundered, about $300,000. Peter King, CBS News, Orlando.
Wood Radio News Times.
Hair color company I named after my daughter. If you're like me, very few routines look like they used to, including how we color our hair. Now, so many women proudly color their own hair.